painted, waiting on me. This is squeaky floor. Painted both sides and all the edges. Everywhere I cut it, I'm gonna have to do the same thing. Well, it is a squeaky floor right there. Had that thing going too. Oh yeah, okay. And this is what we're using. Anti-rust armor, maximum rust prevention, interior, exterior, oil-based enamel, gloss, clear. That's what we're using. Don't say that. Just kind of rolled it on there real quick, get a one coat. Yep. They knew they'd be coming back putting another coat on it for sure. After it all gets installed. Yep. Nice. You always want to paint your edges. Always paint your edges for real, people. Okay, don't do this and put it up there like that, because this stuff will absorb water. It is made to be painted. Made to be painted, so that's so important. You gonna paint them all?
No.
Just one.
I'm gonna paint that. I'm gonna let this one come up flush on the outside here.
Yeah, the other one's gonna come across. We'll put a little dab of nice caulk right there. Right. Okay, that's good. This went flush. What I did. This thing right here. Hold on, pull it up. That's all stuff we're going to look at. We put our panels up though. So we don't have to come back to them. Sweet. Come to me?
Yep. For you right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna need more than that. Yeah. That's, look, we need to cut this off. Look at this. Go ahead. You're not, yeah, it's gonna have that. Yeah, it's gonna have to come to me just like that. That's what I need.
Cool.
Now I have to cut that piece that's hanging out right there. It'd be easier to cut without it being here. Look at that. Right there.
Yeah, I'll get there.
Okay, alright.
You have to tape measure me?
Tape measure. Okay. Don't want to set it in the dirt either. Pull the tape measure or make sure. Right. Remember, if we have to add a block in, we'll add a block. Yeah. Right?
I gotta find the tape measure.
Yeah, there's one right over there. I put it in the box. The red one is right there on the top of that box in the side door. The red one. Underpinning. Okay. We're not putting any nails in the little Z flashing, but we are going to put them 8 and 16 up there. Are we going to have? We might have to put something down here, Paul. You know,
no, screw it down
2 inches up. 2 inches up, maybe. I'm thinking a couple inches. Them the ones you want to pre-drill, obviously. I'm talking to the camera belt, Paul.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me again.
Yeah, might want to go an angle with them too, Paul. I wouldn't go straight.
Yeah.
A little slight angle anyways, because the washer has to obviously sit flat. People, I'm just...
You're getting a little bit of angle. Not a lot.
Yes, not a lot. You only have 1.5 inches there. And being it's on that outside edge, you don't want to crack that stuff.
Start before the washer gets tight.
Well, you got to stop when it gets tight. Top one. There you go, buddy. There you go. I like that.
It's got to push on top?
Yes, it does. It does. It's solid. That's not going anywhere there. I like that, people. You got something very solid right there.
It's not coming out.
Nope.
Hey, you want to take it apart?
These screws
Huh? You gonna take it apart?
These screws are a galvanized screw with a rubber grommet right there. These are 1.5 long, and I use these on termination bar when you're putting EPDM rubber. So it's a metal roof screw, actually metal roofing. You can use it for metal roofing. That's what that little rubber grommet is about. But when it comes to any time you're on the outside corner, this is made of concrete board. So when you're spinning that out, although this does help give you like a drill bit type deal, I just like to hit my outsides because it's so close to the outside edge. I just don't want to break it and have to put another piece up. And the good thing about screwing it off like this is later on, if you want to take that panel off, unscrew it and drop it out. Just drop it right out and you'll be good. That's what I like about this stuff. And like I said, painted is so important. Painted. This will go all the way down. Need a little bit of Lexol for your joints, Paul. Let's try to keep it out of the ground anyway.
I'll turn it over. Painted.
They're both painted. I painted it. I think this is a moisture machine around here, so.
You use that.
Up. Slide it on there. Coming to Paul. This particular situation, we're able to lift. Hold on, catch him by a strap right here. Oh, that's a big strap. Paul, you got to remember. Oh, let's take it back out. Remember, this is the thing. We got to address this before we put our sheet up there. Remember, all these things like that before we put our sheet. That is not good. Need a screw for that. It needs to be screwed in. Phillips. That's all right. Use one of these. It'll be fine. Just use one of these. This is going to come out a little bit anyway because of the way that bracket is. You don't have much of a choice. Don't matter. You can leave it on there. Yeah, wash is not going to do anything. Oh, you don't want to spin it out. It's not a wood screw. Remember? Not a wood screw. Screw it again, but don't break that bit because you'll want to break. Yeah, it's getting hot. Yep. Now beat it. Still beat it a couple times. Even that screw head. Yeah, that's still out a little bit. We're gonna have to deal with it. The only other thing we can do is put a little scutcheon in the back side of it, kind of take a little bit out of it with the saw. You know what I mean?
I don't think you heard that off.
All right, let's do it. Let's get rid of this screw that's right here too. All right, I'll take it.
Small crack up top. Yeah, small crack up top.
Crack?
Yeah. You pick that up as you touch it. Like this right there. That's beautiful.
You can do that. You want to just put one in the middle one? That'll work.
Well, you marked it.
we decided to do, it would have been either double up every 4 feet or take our 2x4 and turn it on the flat. It gives us a little bit more bite. Instead of drilling them so close to this edge like that. I hate doing that. We wanted to be able to back them up just a little bit. So we decided we're going to go ahead and flip these every 4 foot sideways. Turn it sideways. I think that's going to end up working much better for us. Just turn it every 4. That way we got 3.5 inches. We can move our board to 1 3/4 over. Put our marks on it, put our screws in, not worry about cracking it as bad as we've been worried about it. Last thing we want to do is crack it, because when they come take it off again later, if they want to do something under here, they can, if we don't bust it all up. I like that. Nice piece of rubber in the back. Not anything that will ever go away there. I'll be there forever. Like it.
Try our team. I put you in that visitor. Like that.
Yeah, smooth side. Uh-huh. Smooth side out, buddy. You good?
I'm good.
Beautiful thing.
Can't move it on. Might come out. I like this.
What?
You want to make them run in the same row?
Row?
Yeah. They run even.
What's that mark you just made at the top for?
That's 2%.
Never gonna see it?
You know what? Better see.
Alright. Ready? Oh, I thought you grabbed it.
No, I was wiping the paint off.
What the hell?
I was wiping the paint off.
He'll cut a hole right there for his water spigot to make a door.
I'll cut my finger on my eye. And pull it down. If you come back.
Yes.